Hey everybody, it's the Herb Guy with the Elder Herb Shop. I just wanted to show you real quick how we go about making our own charcoal. And the different things that we do with it. We take our 55-gallon drum, fill it with untreated lumber. This is some of the leftovers that are left over. And later on today, this will be burnt before it gets too hot. I've went and made a couple of different filters. This one was made using some of the old chicken wire from the coop. It's roughly 32 by 32, give or take. That's for the bigger stuff. That's the size that I want. And then we have our 1/4 inch here that I turned into another one. Another sifter of sorts. Now, for those of you who've been following me for a while, you know I'm a very amateur blacksmith, and I'm also cheap, so I don't necessarily care to make or buy charcoal. It is kind of spendy, and I don't really make a lot of money on the blacksmithing because it's more of a hobby. Anyway, how this is going to work, throw some shovelfuls in there, strain it. The stuff that's left over in here, that's all the right size that I want for the smithy. So that way they're all, a somewhat uniform size. And then the stuff that's left under here is the real fine powder. That stuff there, it's small gravel size. That'll be sifted out with like a dollar store colander sieve. And the powder that's left over will go into a old dog food bag, this stuff here, and it gets added to the soil that we have. We have compost way over there. It's kind of hard to see. That's our composter. And then we have compost buckets up there. But the charcoal will be added to it, and apparently that's going to make it into a product called Biochar, which is supposed to be really good for growing. We're about to find out. But yeah, that's how we do that. If you want to see a video on how I actually make the charcoal, let me know. I can get it set up. I probably won't be able to do it today, but I know that I'll be making more charcoal because I'm about ready to get the smithy going again. But yeah, this is it. Biochar, charcoal to biochar. So there we go. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. If you like this video, feel free to give it a like and a share, and I'll see you again. Everybody be safe from the Elder Herb Shop. Goodbye.